Amanda has dozens of images to upload and wants the DAM to auto-tag them for initial search. Amanda uploads her assets and notices that the DAM starts to auto-thumbnail, auto-tag, extract metadata, and text from images very quickly. She has uploaded several landscape photos featuring mountains. She starts to type mount into the search bar and sees predictive options for mounted-related auto tags that were added by AI. Amanda has also uploaded some photos including signage with text on them. She notices that text was extracted for instant searchability. Amanda loves these mountain photos and wants to see similar images. She uses the advanced search options where the DAM shows similar images based on an adaptable machine learning model.